Guys, we got this BMW X5, actually, or X3. I guess it's X3. It says 3.0. It's 2004. We got a bunch of codes here. Let's see. Not too worried about those. They said it had a misfire. So let's cycle this off, cycle it back on. See if it misfires. It feels like it's misfiring. Go live. Go to motor operating values. I thought it was in there. Let's go back. I'm using the OTOFIX on this one. Smooth running values. There we go. Cylinder 1 is definitely misfiring. Let's check this out real quick. Let's see if we get spark from that cylinder. Okay guys, so we got the coil pack pulled out of the cylinder. That should be cylinder 1. Let's start this up. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get anything out of this. Oh, that does not look like it's doing that far. Yeah, that's a deep fill. That's a deep fill. Shut this off. So guys, I swapped 2 and 3. I mean 1 and 3, sorry, 1 and 3. Let's see. Let's go look. Let's see. Smooth running values. Oh, look at that. We moved to 3. So, there it needs a coil. Okay, so we put a brand new coil back in. Let's start this up. We did spark plugs on this last year, and I think 2 or 3 coils. Let's see. Look at that. Way better. It's running really smooth now. I am happy with that. Oops, sorry. Let's go back. Let's go to our trouble codes. I want to clear these. Look at that. They're all absent. Erase these while it's running, or does that have to be off? Okay. There we go. Let's check our fuel trims too. Let's go back. Let's go to live data. Is that in here? I don't know if this is good, but it seems like it's good. Doesn't seem like a high percentage. Let's see, let's go back. Let's go back to smooth running values. Look at that, that is very smooth. Let's go back in here. Yeah, so I'm happy with this. So I hope you guys like this one. It's quick. See you guys later.